Hey guys, Matt here with BuiltRight Industries. Today we're going to show you how to install the BuiltRight Industries license plate relocation kit on your 24 and newer Tesla Cybertruck. I'm going to show you what's in the box, going to show you the tools you need, and then we'll install it. Let's get into it. All right, so inside the box here, we're going to have license plate frame. We've got our bracket here that is going to be the bracket that holds the license plate. We've got the bracket, and then we've got the hardware kit that's going to include the 2 Allen wrenches that you need for the install. So for the install, this is pretty basic. You're going to want a ratchet with an extension and a 10mm socket. You're going to want a pick tool of some sort. A small screwdriver will do the job, and then the 2 included Allen keys. So first part of the install is to remove this little trim piece. This is plastic with a rubber surround on the tow hook here. You'll see up here 2 little openings. This is perfect for a pick tool or a little screwdriver to get in there. You're going to get in there and you're going to push down. You might have to do it on both sides to loosen that. Once those are free, you're going to be able to just pull this trim piece out, set it aside. We are going to reuse it. All right, next we're going to loosen this 10mm bolt here. Not going to remove it, just make enough space to slip our bracket in place. This washer is captive there, so you shouldn't really need to worry about that. We do want the washer on the outside of the bracket. So we've got the bracket in place there. And I'm going to tighten this screw back down. What we're looking to do is to have this bracket be about parallel with the front of the tow hook, but there's really only one location there. So go ahead and tighten that down. All right, so before we continue the installation, we'll go ahead and replace this trim piece here. It should seat all the way back on, nice and snug. And then we'll install our plate bracket. So this is a part of the install where you do have some options. Obviously our plate bracket has all kinds of slots in it. I'm going to shoot for something kind of like this to tuck the plate up and over, just because that's my preference. So I'm going to use these 2 bottom slots here. So in your hardware kit, there are 2 larger bolts. I'm going to use the first of the 2 with a washer and install that right there. And then I'll grab the second one. Once again, finger tight. I'm going to go back and tighten them once I have the plate frame straightened. Use the included Allen key to snug those up. So that's where my plate's going to sit here. Obviously, depending on where you have this, you might get a little snug up here. There's also some variance from truck to truck. If you get a little snug right here, feel free to just give it a little tweak and buy yourself some space. So the last step of the installation, obviously, is to install your license plate. You may or may not choose to use the BuiltRight plates around here. I'm going to install just the plate frame so we've got a good visual on this whole thing, but obviously your plate would be here. And then you're going to use the included fasteners with washers. Some plates need the washers, others don't. Depends on your state as far as the size of the holes go. I'm just going to use these started finger tight, and then I'll tighten them down with the included Allen key. With that, you've got your BuiltRight Industries license plate relocation kit installed on your Cybertruck. Should have taken 5 or 10 minutes. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, give us a call, find the chat button on our site, or comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.